Hey there, trades boys and girls. It's John. This week I'm talking about bookkeeping and specifically about automating your bookkeeping. Okay, if you're growing your trades business and you're spending time in Xero or MyHub or one of them doing your bookkeeping or admin tasks like reconciling or invoicing or entering bills, you shouldn't be, right? Your job is to make stuff happen, not so much to do stuff yourself, right? The time you spend on admin and books is time you could be spending finding work and winning it and looking after your customers or making sure your team do the work on time and on budget and up to the right standard and all that kind of stuff, okay? You've got skills in sales, you've got skills in estimating, you've got skills in planning the work, you've got technical skills and the technical experience in your trade, and you've got your skills with the people and the people you've built around you, and that's where the money is, right? The money in your business doesn't lie in doing your own bookkeeping or your own admin. You're probably not that great at admin anyway. I'm bloody not, right? But there are plenty of people though out there in our world who are, right? Who are good at admin, who are better than us, who like it, right? And they're not difficult to find or expensive to pay. So get someone else doing it, right? And automate as much of it as you can. Now automating things means nobody has to do it, right? It's always cheaper if a machine does something rather than if you have to pay a person to do it, right? There's one way to automate something, and that's a system plus a person plus technology working together to create an outcome. I want you to hold that thought, because that's what I mean when I talk about automating. We don't really automate a whole lot. People are still involved. Right? The more machine and the more system there is, the less person, then the cheaper it is to have the thing happening, right? Generally speaking. And the less chance, of course, of mistakes creeping in, because mistakes are made by people. Machines generally don't make them. Okay. Now I know that's a massive generalization, and not all automations are cheap, and that, you know, Tesla's automatic car driving thing keeps crashing. But by and large, when technology is cheap and easy, like cloud accounting systems and like invoice scanning systems like Dext and HubDoc, automation is definitely the way for you to go. You can set it up so nobody has to enter receipts or bills by hand, right? Your technology does it for you. And you can set up so you're not kind of dipping into it every day, every time an email comes with a bill to pay. And you're not having that interruption whenever someone emails you with a bill to pay. Now I've written a guide to help you plan it out, but the process goes something like this, right? You set your Xero or your MyHub or your QuickBooks Online up. You set up Dext or HubDoc. You set up an email address that says accounts@yourbusiness.com. You get all the bills and the invoices sent there. You have somebody check them and get rid of the spam and forward them once a week. They just do it to Dext or to HubDoc. You log in, maybe with your admin person, and you approve them, or your bookkeeper, right? Check job numbers and things like that. And then they get sent to Xero, right? Your admin person does that for you. And they go automatically in like magic with the Xero fairies. And then once a week again, you meet with your person, your bookkeeper, your admin person, whoever, and you decide which ones you're going to pay. And then they set up a once weekly bulk payment, which you approve, send to the bank, bang, all your payments are done in one go, right? Your bill paying is done. For you, you've had 2 short meetings, so you've still retained control and you've decided which bills to pay and which jobs they get allocated to and things. And for your admin, no data entry, no fuck-ups, and not much time spent. Right? You've minimised errors from typing stuff in, and you've minimised the time impact on you and the people who work around you. You can extract the data and upload it into your job management system, which is necessary, of course. And if you're using a job management system that lets you kind of order materials from within it, some of them do that, that's fine. They'll still go through into Xero and then fall into the weekly kind of payment process. Okay, so it works both ways. Right, raising your invoices should be done within your job management system, of course. It's not the only way to set this up, but it seems to be a damn fine one. And I was taught it by a bookkeeper for tradies called Don Doolan from First Class Accounts in Asquith. Right? This business does bookkeeping for tradies and builders, and they'll do it for you if you want it done for you. Okay? If you want the guide, comment yes please automate and we'll get it to you. Otherwise, have a great day.